Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Steelseries Apex Pro TKL 3 and I'm going to show you the unboxing and what's inside. At first we have to do something like that to open the box. Here we have our keyboard itself. To together we just have to do something like that, and now we can remove our keyboard itself. For now I will put her back, and now as you can see, open this folder, we have to do something like that, and here we have our USB type A to type C cable. As you can see, it's right there. And apart from that, we have our magnetic plate. Here is our user manual too. That's it from this box for now. Let's check the rest. As you can see, here is our magnetic plate. Here is our keyboard itself, and here is our magnetic plate. We just have to put it near our keyboard. It will magnetic itself. As you can see, we can plug in our USB Type-C cable straight into our keyboard. Right, like that. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.